Hi, James from jameswu.net. In your business, eventually you're going to need a logo, and there are a few ways you can get a logo done. If you are pretty good with graphic designs, you can make your own, right? And there are also other websites that can help you. Maybe you can hire somebody from Fiverr, pay people a few dollars and give them, but you won't know the quality of your logo. You can get a little bit more high-end, like 99 Designs, which starts from $299 as what I can see from their website. Or you can also consider DesignEvo, which I came across recently. So DesignEvo is a website that allows you to create your own logo. They have over 5,000 plus templates for you to choose from, and it is actually divided into different categories. So for somebody like me who doesn't really have much good design skills, such a template or logos will actually help you to get started with some ideas, prompt you, and to create a simple logo. So let's head on and check out the screen, what's available on DesignEvo. On DesignEvo's website, and as you scroll down, you'll notice that it has 5,000 plus professional grade logo designs, and there are two categories. One is by popular search, where you can search things like for music, technology, photography. So it seems like quite a lot of people are searching for these categories. Or you can also just browse down and see what are sort of logos that's available. And you can actually use the Create tab on the top here to make a free logo. And there are categories that are made based on what is most likely. For example, you may be in business or consulting, animals and pets. I haven't seen the animal and pet. Let's take a look at it. So if you are in the pet business, there could be some good options here. Okay, so now you have the logo name. I'm not sure. Okay, a lion probably won't qualify as a pet, but for animal, it's pretty cool. Okay, a roaring golden dragon. This would probably be very good if you are a Chinese company, Hong Kong-based company, somehow Chinese, and being Chinese, we like dragons. All right. This one looks not too bad as well. And hummingbird. This one looks good for art. Okay, I think I've seen this logo somewhere or something quite similar. So I'm not sure whether that company got the logo from DesignEvo or maybe the icon is available somewhere else. So I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to back up a bit. Look for, say, something in life maybe. And some of these categories I'm seeing it for the first time because, well, I wanted to show you. I've checked out some categories before, but as I'm making this video, I haven't seen this, checked out this category. So this one looks quite good if you are a maybe a holiday home or something, holiday resort. So I see that there are actually pretty interesting logos that you can use, and you can also search in, type in search phrase. So let's say I'm going to look for my name, maybe J. Okay, so if I want to have something that starts with J, these are all the logos that's available. And let's look at W, if there's anything for W. Okay, this one looks quite interesting. Let's see if I could make something with this for my own company logo. I'm going to skip this part. Okay, so on the left here, you can actually look for icons if you want to add any icons. Okay, so if I were to click on the icons, I can search for, say, a line. So a line would come out. And I can add the line to my logo here. Okay, so making the design pretty simple. Make it stretch out. Okay, so that's what, if you are, this is what you want, you can do something like this. I'm not going to add anything because I am pretty bad at images. So I'm just going to change my name here. Okay, change it to maybe something like this. Just use my name. I don't like this font too much actually. I like this one. What's this? This is bold, and this is same. Okay, maybe do the colors a bit, and I'm going to add my slogan. So it's just a matter of typing in the my slogan. Of course, I could change the colors here. Let's say I want something darker. Okay, maybe something lighter, not too light, not too dark. Okay, to emphasize this. And of course, I can change the font size to something smaller. So making this is pretty simple, and as you drag and drop things, it will help you to align them to the center point. Okay, for example here, the lines will show up to tell you that you're at the center point. Okay, so that your logo and images won't go haywire. Now obviously you can also select text here, the type of fonts. There are so many. Okay, for example, you may want to have modern sans, right? And they are classified to different types. This is the bold fonts. These are the modern sans meaning without the tails. Then you have the serif fonts, right? Traditional serif fonts. You can have something like handwriting. Okay, so and in terms of shapes, you can also add a shape to your logo. Okay, let's see if I could. Actually, I'm pretty happy with the logo as it is, but for the purpose of this video, let me try to see if I could make something more more impressive, hopefully. Like I said, I am actually not too good with the graphics, so who knows, maybe this will be the one to help me create something a bit more impressive. Okay, so I have my logo there, something like a shield, right? So maybe I move this up a bit. And move this down a bit. Now I'm just moving this around just to squeeze it into the logo, but to be honest, I think the design, the colors here is much better. Maybe I should just follow this color here. What color is this? Okay, there's a document color there. Maybe I should follow these colors. I can also change the background color if you want to. Okay, whether you want solid colors or gradients. So like I mentioned, I think I'm pretty happy with this rather than mess up the logo. Okay, it's pretty interesting with the W there, and if you can see here, maybe, oops, let me undo that. There's something like a J, so it might stand for James Wu. Just nice. Now once you're done, you can preview the logo, and the preview allows you to see different options. For example, you want to use it on the letterhead, your name card, in a white background or in dark background, so you have an idea how it looks like. You also have logos for your website, or maybe some stationery, and also t-shirts. Okay, and even for your maybe your office or your boardroom. Okay, so which is actually quite good, where you can have an idea how your logo will look in different scenarios. Now I find this feature pretty interesting and pretty useful. Otherwise, many times when you see a logo, it looks good on the screen, and being a non-designer, it may look bad in other formats. So I find this pretty useful for me. Okay, so if you are ready to download the logo, you just click on download, and you're presented with 3 options. Now one is of course the free version, where you can give credit and it is low resolution with just a PNG background. The basic version is $19.99 US, where you can have up to 5000 by 5000 pixels PNG print ready and edit and re-downloadable. For the most priciest option, $39.99, there's a maximum resolution quite similar to the mid-range one, but you have the right to vector PDF and vector SVG files. So if you are sending your files off to a printer, these files will be useful to get high quality prints, and also the right to register a trademark. So thanks for watching this video. This is James from jamesfu.net. If you have found this video useful, do subscribe to my channel, and I hope that the tips that I share here about using software and other websites will also help your business. And one final thing, remember, do something small today to build a better business. Until the next time, this is James. Bye bye.